Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can log out of your Google Maps application using your mobile device. In order to log out of your Google Maps account, you will need to log out of your Google account on the device. So, open up the Google Maps application and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner from the Explore page. In the pop-up, click on the drop-down right next to your Google account information, and then this will show you all of the accounts that you have available if you have multiple Google accounts logged into the device. Now from the options, tap on Manage Account on this device. You will then be able to see this Manage Accounts interface where you can tap on Remove from this device on the Google account that you'd like to log out with. For example, I'm gonna choose the Remove from this device option right underneath one of my Google accounts, and in the pop-up, click on Remove. After you do that, this will sign you out of your Google account from your device, such as Gmail, YouTube, etc., and not just the Maps. There is no separate logout button for just Google Maps. It's all tied to your overall Google account session. So if you want to log out of your Google Maps account, you'll need to log out from your overall Google account session. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.